Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are talking about the top 7 tech jobs for beginners, absolutely freshers candidates, or who can restart your career. If you are a new one here, then don't forget subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our latest trending IT jobs or career tips. So without wasting our time, let me quickly start our main content. The first job role is in our list, that is nothing but data analyst. So as a data analyst, you will work with the numbers, charts and reports to help business make better decisions, and you have to complete your training on any one data visualization tool like Power BI or Tableau. And next one is web developers. As long as the internet exists, there will be high demand or huge demand is there for talented web developers. Okay, here web developer means you can choose a front-end developer or back-end developer or full stack developer. As a beginner, you can choose either front-end or back-end, so based on your choice. Here back-end means everyone knows, like Java developer, C# developer, that means .NET developer, Python developer, Node.js developer. Start your career as a front-end developer, learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, any one front-end framework, either React or Angular. Okay, so popular one, React only. Most of the beginners, they used to choose this job role only. MNC organizations, even startup companies, they expect these skills only, web developer skills only. Okay, like either front end or back end. And third one is QA tester or quality assurance specialist. This job role is also very famous or popular for freshers or beginners, guys, because many companies, they want to deliver their product as quality only. So for that reason, many quality engineers or automation test engineers are required to deliver the quality product to the end users or clients. Next job role is cloud support engineer or cloud engineers. As more business shift to the cloud, the demand for cloud engineers is only going to rise. So you will help the clients how to configure, troubleshoot and maintain cloud systems like AWS, Azure or Google Cloud. So for this role, you should have some basic understanding of the cloud computing topics and AWS or Azure or G Suite, whatever you're interested, you can complete your training. Next one is, even if you're interested for design part like UI and UX designer, or if you're interested in some digital marketing, so these are also best choice for beginners. But before choosing these two things, analyze the job roles and requirements and career growth and future scope also. So apart from these top 7 tech jobs, I highly recommend one more bonus IT job also, that is nothing but AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning course also, because in the future you can expect more job openings on these technologies only. For even for freshers also, it's a recommended one. Now, these are the top 7 tech jobs for beginners in 2025. If you found this video is helpful, then hit the like button and share to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much.